Does endometrial scratching increase the chances of IVF success? Among the various accessory technologies used in vitro fertilization treatments, we have endometrial scratching. This endometrial injury is performed using a sterile pipette or catheter to lightly injure the endometrium. In theory, the production of tissue repair molecules is expected to increase the probability of implantation of the deposited embryo. But does the technique work? A systematic review with meta-analysis performed by Lenson and colleagues compiled studies that assess whether the use of the technique improves clinical outcomes in IVF treatments. The observed outcomes were clinical pregnancy, miscarriage, and live birth rates. Despite the mildly favorable results, it is unclear whether endometrial injury affects the chance of having an IVF baby. As new studies are conducted, this meta-analysis will be revised and the evidence may change. For more details, check the original article available at the link. Keep updated with us, the Embryologists.